Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to a new video of a new series. It so happens that I bought another E46, but it's a coupe this time. As some of you may remember, I had a sedan before, which I was planning on making my project car, but then I sold that car because I wanted a coupe and a bigger engine as well. As you can see, we got some snow today, which I thought would be the perfect day to make a video of this thing, because we're probably gonna go out later, have a bit of fun. So yeah, let me introduce you to my new car, show you around a bit, and then we'll go have some fun. Alright, so there we go. Now I got most of the snow off of this thing, and we are losing light rapidly because it is winter in Sweden. But we're gonna go ahead and get this wrapped anyways. So yeah, this is a 323 CI from 2000. So it's got the M52 B25 engine in it. And this is originally rated at 170 horsepower. But as some of you may know, BMW actually lied a bit when it came to the M52s. So this one has roughly 190 stock. And I just want to start off by saying that no, this is not going to be my winter beater. Now, I do have a rear-wheel drive semi-powerful BMW during the winter, so I mean, I'm not going to drift it. That would be pretty impossible, but I am going to keep it chill. And so the previous owner has owned it since 2013, so for almost 10 years now. So he's gone over it and done all the servicing and everything you need to do. He's really cared for it. As you can see, it's blue, but the front fenders and front bumper are black because they've been replaced. But that doesn't matter for me, because in the end I'm gonna wrap this car, and I'm gonna wrap it blue, I think. Now let me show you the interior, because this is pretty it's pretty awful. So these frameless doors, oof, I mean, that's so sexy. So yeah, unfortunately this is the gray interior, and as you can see, this one has some blue dots in it as well. Gray with blue. It looks really 90s. I don't really like the look of it, so I'm gonna change that out sooner or later. But it just does the job for the moment. And this wheel is gonna be the first thing to go, because these are so wide, so thin. I don't like that wheel at all. Not the looks or the feel or anything. So let's go ahead and pop the hood here. Okay, so now under the hood, it's pretty dark, so you can't really see all that much. It's just a stock M52. It's got no intake, no exhaust, no nothing. Everything works. The van is fully functional, all that, since the previous owner did take such good care of it. So that is a bonus. But yeah, in general, this is a pretty nice E46. Of course, it's old and a bit rowdy, but it has a lot of potential. And since it's one of the bigger engines, I feel like it's worth spending a bit more money on. And it's also sitting on coilovers at the moment. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for the overview. That's the most basic stuff. And of course, I'll go into more detail in future videos and all that. But for now, I think we're gonna go have some fun. See you in a bit. Right, so as you can see, I've met up with a couple other E46s. Found a bit of road that's empty. And so now we're gonna try out this new snow, you know. We got 323, 325, 325. These two both have welded diffs. Unfortunately, mine's open, but like I said before, it's not a drift car. Not a drift car. So yeah, let's see what we can make happen. can see, we got quite some cars here actually. Oh, another E46. All right, let's go. Regular E46 problems right here. As you can see, there are some more cars here now. Welcome to Sweden. That var Holy fucking hell.
Så bra där.
Alright, so we just went out in a friend's 940. As you can see, we even did some rallying there at the end. But so I think I'm gonna go out with the E46 now again. And so yeah, let's cut to that. Alrighty guys, as you can see, the E46 runs pretty goddamn nicely. So like I said, this is completely stock except for standing on coilovers. But more than that, it's an open diff, stock engine, all that. And I mean, drifts perfectly fine if you wanted to. So yeah, thumbs up to the car. So that might be it for today's video. You know what? This is the outro, okay? So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you look forward to seeing more of the E46 and all my other projects. And until next time, guys, take care, and I'll see you then.